Good morning, students. This is chemistry period. Okay, and today we have to learn about the modern periodic table. Okay, in previous class, we have learned that the Mendeleev's periodic table, but उसमें भी कुछ disadvantages थी. So that's why there is a modern periodic table. So this is determined by the Henry Moseley. Henry Moseley and this periodic table which is determined with the help of X-ray spectro. Okay, X-ray spectra. So Henry Moseley determined the atomic number of elements from their X-ray spectra. Here the arrangement of element, okay, the arrangement of element in the periodic table is depend on the atomic number of element. New periodic table में atomic the element the arrangement of element is depend on the atomic number of the elements. Okay, in the old one there is a mass number, and but in new, according to their atomic number, the elements are arranged in a periodic table. Okay, see, this is a modern periodic table prepared by Neil Bohr. See, the model periodic table is a discovered is determined by the Neil Bohr. Okay, so what is the exactly this modern periodic table is? According to modern periodic table, the properties of elements of all the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Previous ओल्ड जो पीरियोडिक टेबल था उसमें डिपेंड ऑन एटॉमिक मासेस द एलिमेंट्स आर अरेंज, बट हियर न्यू पीरियोडिक दैट इज मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल में विच इज अ depend on their atomic number, depend on their atomic number. Okay, now, so when the elements are arranged according to increasing atomic numbers, in modern periodic table the elements are arranged according to their increasing atomic number. इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक नंबर के हिसाब से एलिमेंट्स अरेंज हुए हैं इन मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल में with their periodicity in this electronic configuration. First of all, periodicity means the same property continuation at the some interval of time. Okay, the property which have elements are near about same but are after some interval of time. Okay, that means the periodicity in their electronic configuration that leads to the periodicity in their chemical properties. Now here also same periods and group, here also same concept, that is horizontal जो है वो, that means horizontal जो है that means we called it as a periods, and the vertical lines, that means here the vertical lines are the groups. In modern periodic table same concept is continue here also. The horizontal lines are we called it as a period and the vertical lines we called it as a groups. So here, but in modern periodic table there are 18 group from starting from first, there are 18 groups and same 7 periods. Periods जो है वो 7 है but there are 18 groups. Okay, and last one is a noble gas group. इसमें नोबल गैस ग्रुप है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट सी इन द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल देयर आर 18 ग्रुप्स. ओके, देयर आर 18 ग्रुप्स 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to 18, and this 18 is a noble gases. these are noble gases. ये जो है वो noble gases है, लेस रिएक्टिव. ओके, सबसे कम रिएक्टिव रहते हैं वो. एंड 7 ग्रुप्स, total groups are 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and this is a blank space which is given here, and these elements that is starting from 57 to 71, elements from 57 to 71, that is we called it as a lanthanides, we called it as a lanthanides, and these are 89 to 103 we called it as a actinides. इसे हम बोलेंगे actinides. and the first one is a, we call it as a lanthanum. See, the first period has two elements. Simple. See, first period जो है उसमें two elements है. This is a first period. This is one and this is two. दोनों the first period has a two elements. Okay. Now in second period there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements in second period. In third period, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same in third में भी 8 period है. In fourth period, I think there are 18 elements. See, in fourth period there are 18 and in fifth also 18. Sixth में 32 elements है and seventh period में last there are a rest of elements. Okay. Seventh period में जो है rest of element, that is there is a blank space is also given. That means they are actinides starting from 89 to 103. That is actinum to lawrencium. Actinum to lawrencium. LR means lawrencium. Actinum से लेकर lawrencium तक actinides, we call this as actinides starting from 89, the atomic number from 89 to 103. And these are lanthanides starting from lanthanum to lutetium. Lanthanum to lutetium. Lu stands for lutetium. Okay. Now next, see, one more important thing is, see, this is very important. Group, the elements from group first and group second. The elements of group first and second are the metals. First and second group के जो metals है, elements है, that means they are the metals. Okay. Elements from 13 to 17, these are non-metals. Non-metals. Okay. 13 से लेकर 17 तक non-metal. First and second are metals. And these 3 to 12 are metalloids. Metalloids means possesses both the property. They show the property of metal also and non-metal also. Okay. 13 to 3 to 12, these are metalloids. And this is a noble. 18th group is a noble. Okay. Non-reactive. And see, 57 to 71, these are lanthanides. मेटलर्ड्स को हम बोलेंगे ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स, उन्हें हम बोलेंगे ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स ऑल्सो. ओके. मेटालॉइड्स also we called it as a transition element, and these lanthanides and actinides we called it as a inner transition elements. Metalloids and actinides we called it as a inner transition element. उसे हम बोलेंगे inner transition elements. First group and second group, these are metals. Okay. 13 से लेकर 17 तक जो है वो नॉन मेटल्स है. And 3 to 12, these are metalloids. That is, we called it as a transition element. And these lanthanides and actinides are a inner transition element. These are a representative elements. Okay. These are a representative element. Now next, see, the next, that is the number of valence electron in atom of an element decided that which element will be the first in period and which will be the last. See, if we check this number of groups and number of periods, so सेम ग्रुप के जो एलिमेंट है उनकी वैलेंसी जो है सेम होगी. इफ वी कंसिडर दिस, दैट इज फर्स्ट ग्रुप, so they have all the same valence electron. Okay, they have the all same valence electron. And if we check for the same period, if we take this period number third, they all have the number of shells are same. So एक पीरियड के सभी एलिमेंट्स की नंबर ऑफ शेल्स जो है वो सेम रहेगी. ओके. See, one more time I have explaining this. Same group, that is we take here example first group, they have same, all have, which are lies in a first group, have the same valence electron. Okay, same valence electron. And we take the example of same group, that is we take the example of third group, they all have number of shells in a last orbit same. Okay, नंबर ऑफ शेल्स जो है उनमें सेम रहेंगी, नंबर ऑफ शेल्स जो है उनमें सेम रहेगी. दैट मीन्स वी टेक द एग्जाम्पल हियर, ग्रुप की अगर बात करें हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे 15th ग्रुप. ओके, नाइट्रोजन, valence electron are same. If we take the electronic configuration for nitrogen, that means 2 and 5, then we take the electronic configuration for phosphorus, that means 2 8 5. See, in same group, the same number of valence electrons are present. Shells are different. Here are two shells, that is a K and L. Here are K, L, M. तीन शेल है यहाँ पे बस दो शेल है. But the valence electrons are same. इसमें भी 5 है, here also 5. So the elements which are lies in a same group, they having the same number of valence electrons. This is very important, and we so the elements which are lies in same group having the same number of valence electron, but the elements which are lies in a same period having the same number of shells, number of shells जो रहेंगी उनकी same रहेंगी. Okay, if we take the example like here sodium 11 configuration है, that means the electronic configuration आएगी उसकी 2 8 1. नेक्स्ट मैग्नीशियम, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगी 2 8 2. के एल एम, शेल आर 3. See, the electron valence electrons are different, but the shells are same, 1 2 3 1 2 3. नेक्स्ट हम एग्जाम्पल लेंगे मैग्नीशियम के बाद, डायरेक्टली वी टेक द एग्जाम्पल लाइक एल्यूमिनियम. हियर ऑल्सो सेम 2 8 3. के एल एम, तीन शेल है इसमें भी, but the valence electron are different, but shells are same. So in same period, the number of shells of the elements which are lies in that period having the same number of the shells. Okay, now next, see, in a group 1 to 2 group, first and second group, ये जो first group है and this is a second group, and 13 to 17 contain the normal elements. Okay, 1 to 2 group containing the normal elements, 1 group and 2 group containing normal elements, 3 से लेकर 12 तक transition element. Yes, from 3 group to, these are first group to second are the metals. I have already told this. Metals, these are the transition, these are non-metals, and these are the inner transition. 57 to 71, these are lanthanides, and 89 to 103, that is actinides. Okay, see, left hand side जो है, these are metals, left hand side these are metal, and right hand side that is 13 से लेकर 17 तक, these are a right hand side, that is a non metals, and these are middle one are the transition, and last one are the inner transition. जो last के है वो inner transition metal. Okay, now next, see, the hydrogen element has placed at the top of first group. See, फर्स्ट ग्रुप का जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो हाइड्रोजन है. ओके, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज 1 and the electronic configuration is similar to the metal. Both have the one electron. Valence electron किसके, the valence electron hydrogen having is a 1. Okay, so first group में जितने भी elements है, they having the valence electron 1. First group. Okay, the valence electron of first group 1, valence electron of second group 2 valence electron of third group, 13 group actually. 13 group means we go to here. Valence electron of 13 group here. 3 सेम लाइक 14 के 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 15 के 5, 16 के 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, 17 के 18 एंड 18 इज अ नोबल. 18 is a noble gas. All are noble gases and they are less reactive. Okay, they are stable. Actually, they are stable. Now, here, here, if we have to predict the position of any एलिमेंट, हमें किसी भी एलिमेंट की पोजीशन प्रेडिक्ट करनी है. सो इफ़ वी हैव अ एटॉमिक नंबर 11, हमें हम एटॉमिक नंबर दिया है. सो हाउ विल वी प्रेडिक्ट देयर पोजीशन. हम उसकी पोजीशन कैसे प्रेडिक्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो इफ वी डायरेक्टली गो फर्स्ट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2, 8 एंड 1. हमें ये पता है कि जिस वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन जिसका 1 है वो डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट ग्रुप में आएगा. ओके, जिसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 है वो फर्स्ट ग्रुप में आएगा. दैट मीन्स वी गॉट हियर ग्रुप तो मिल गया हमें, बट हमें एलिमेंट कौन सा ये पता नहीं. हमें पता है कि उसका एटॉमिक नंबर 11 है. ओके, सो एंड ऑल्सो वी गॉट हियर 3 शेल्स. कितने शेल्स है उसको 3. दैट मीन्स हियर थर्ड ग्रुप में आएगा. दैट मीन्स द एलिमेंट इज अ सोडियम. एलिमेंट इज अ सोडियम जो कि थर्ड ग्रुप में आता है एंड third period and first group, and the element which is a sodium. Okay, this is applicable only for the element having one valence electron. जिसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 है, दैट मीन्स 2, 8, 1. जिसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 है, दिस इज एप्लीकेबल ओनली फॉर दिस. बट जिसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 3, 4, 5 है, तो उसमें क्या करेंगे. हियर वी अप्लाई एड प्लस 10. उसमें लास्ट में हम हियर इज 5, देन वी एड 10 to 5 and we got 15, and according to this 15 we got their period. Okay, उसका ग्रुप जो है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू एडिशन ऑफ 10 वी गॉट देयर पीरियड. सो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हम लेंगे. इफ़ वी हैव द एटॉमिक नंबर 14, हमें एटॉमिक नंबर दिया हुआ है 14. वी हैव टू फाइंड देयर पोजिशन इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल. तो हम फर्स्ट वी गो फॉर देयर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2, 8, 4. सो हियर वी हैव टू ऐड वी हैव टू ऐड वी हैव टू ऐड हियर 10. ओके, 10 अगर इसमें 4 में हम ऐड करेंगे तो वी गॉट दिस 14 एंड देयर आर 3 शेल्स. कितने शेल्स है यहाँ पे 3, तो ये थर्ड पीरियड में आएगा एंड ग्रुप जो है वो 14 हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स हियर सिलिकॉन डायरेक्टली सिलिकॉन 14th ग्रुप एंड पीरियड इज थर्ड. दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ सिलिकॉन. Okay, so like this all about the periodic table. We have to learn the periodic table completely thoroughly. Okay, this is very important. You have to totally learn this periodic table. Okay, and this is very important. So here and also for see one more important thing. There are some musical note for learning this elements in this different period and different. So for first group there is a musical note that is a first key. I don't know, but second, for learning the second period group elements, there is a musical note is beryllium, magnesium, calcium. ओके, सो देर इज़ अ म्यूजिकल नोट दैट इज़, इसके लिए आपको जो इजी वे है लर्न करने का वो है बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर. बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप रोए. इसका जो सिंपल म्यूजिकल नोट है आपको लर्न करने का वो है बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप रोए. नाउ नेक्स्ट दैट इज 13 पीरियड्स में जाइए. 13 पीरियड्स का जो है वो बी बैंगन आलू गाजर, बैंगन आलू गाजर इन थैला। ओके, इसका जो म्यूजिकल नोट है 13 ग्रुप का, बैंगन आलू गाजर इन थैला। नाउ 14 का, 14 का जो है कॉलेज से गेड़ी सम प्रॉब्लम, कॉलेज से गेड़ी सम प्रॉब्लम। 15 का जो है वो नाना पाटेकर असरानी सब बेकार। 15 का जो है वो नाना पाटेकर असरानी सब बेकार। एंड दिस वन इज 16, 16 का जो है वो OS उससे टेपो, उससे टेपो, इसका जो है वो उससे टेपो। ये है ऑल दिस सिंपलर वे फॉर लर्निंग दिस पीरियोडिक टेबल। ओके, ये कुछ म्यूजिकल नोट्स है, इसके हिसाब से हम अपने पीरियोडिक टेबल को इजीली लर्न कर पाते हैं। सो हियर वी स्टॉप डियर स्टूडेंट्स, and almost are this chapter also completed. Okay, so here we stop.